While strolling through my neighborhood, I stumbled upon something straight out of a toy store, a tiny truck. But this wasn't just any truck, it was a barbershop on wheels. A few years ago, I saw a simple street barber in Thao Dien, District 2. But now, right here in my neighborhood, an upgraded mobile barbershop is bringing the salon experience to the streets. They roll in at 8:30 a.m. and set up shop until 8:30 p.m. The daytime is slow and relaxed, but as evening falls, the customers start to line up. For just 70,000 Vietnamese dongs, you get a sharp, clean cut. But that's not all. They offer hair shampooing, shaving, and even ear cleaning. Imagine getting a fresh new look while enjoying the open air. Fast, fun, and convenient. As night settles in, the truck's warm lights glow on the quiet street, while the barber's skilled hands shape new styles. A haircut with a view. Who knew grooming could be this cool?